Right, so today we're going to be testing out the Meguiars hot rim and wheel products. The reviews say that they're pretty good, but we're going to test it out and yeah, see if it's a bit of a myth. Right, so we've just been to Halfords. We've got the hot rims, wheel and tyre cleaner, and also just picked up an alloy wheel brush because mine's pretty knackered, so I thought I'd get a new one of those. Only a couple of quid. So total, it came out £13 exactly. So yeah, we'll give the product a go and see if the reviews are lying. So as I said, we're going to be testing out the hot rims. Give it a go. So the reviews are 4.3 stars out of 5. There's a good amount of reviews, so we're going to test it out. It's actually coming out better than the Wonder Wheels, so you've probably heard of that. We're going to give the hot rims a test now, and yeah, follow the instructions, making sure that we're doing it properly. We'll give it a go and see what it comes out like. Right, so as you can see, at the moment what we've got is all this dirt build up on the actual wheel. I'm going to start on this one. This one's actually one of the dirtier. All I've done so far is just given them a rinse. I've got the hot wheels, hot rims, wheel and tyre cleaner here, and I've got just a normal wheel brush. Like I said, I picked that up from Halfords, a couple of quid. So best thing to do, according to the instructions, is just to try and undo this bloody thing. Twist tab and twist it open. Well, I'm trying to do that, it's bloody impossible. There we go. So we've got the hot rims product just here. What we're going to do is, according to the instructions, you just need to spray it on, leave it for about 30 seconds, agitate it with the wheel brush, and then just give it a rinse off, and that should be good. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do now. I can already see the reminiscence of dirt still. You can see that quite clearly on the camera actually, so that's probably not how it's supposed to come out. So yeah, we'll wait and see how it looks when it dries anyway. So we'll wait a few minutes. You've got the card just there for you. Well, just there. Tyres have come out really good. Alloys pretty average, to be honest. I'd probably say you can get the same results using very liquid or something. So in terms of the tyres, I'd definitely recommend the product. Alloys, they probably could do with a bit more agitating from myself, but I don't see it getting that brake dust off. So we'll keep the hunt up for some good tyre products. But yeah, we'll show you a comparison between the tyre that's had it used and what's not. So as I said, this is the tyre that's not been treated yet. Versus the tyre that's had the treatment. So overall it's done a pretty decent job actually. But you're not getting exactly 100% of the brake dust off. It's doing a pretty good job, I'll give it that. Okay, so in summary, probably give the product an 8 out of 10. Like I already said, done the tyres pretty good, wheels average. If you're on a tight budget, I wouldn't recommend it. I'd just stick to Fairy Liquid, or just a cheaper product in general. But if you're not so worried, it's only a tenner, definitely go ahead and pick it up. I got it from Alpha's, you can get it online and other places like that. But there we go, that's been a review on the Hot Rims wheel and tyre cleaner, sorry. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and let me know what product you want me to take a look at next.